This is how you can create a shortcut to combine photos. It's really easy to do. There's no code, just some point and click. Follow the steps in this video and you make an app just like this. This is our custom app right here. If we tap on that, we select two photos. Let's select this one and this one. They're both vertical orientation. Tap the check mark. It's done. Go to our photos and see what it made. And it put those two side by side. And I also show you in this video how to stack them vertically if you want. So I'm creating two different shortcuts or two different versions of the same shortcut. So to do this, we got to open our Shortcuts app. Go to search for shortcuts because I don't know where it is on my home screen. There it is right there on my spotlight. But just type short and it'll pop up there. Tap on it to open it. Now we see all of our shortcuts here. Click on this plus icon to add a new one. Tap up here and tap rename to give it a name. I'm going to name mine Combine Horizontal Pics. This will make more sense in a minute. Tap outside of there. Now we can add actions. Let's search for actions. Tap right there and start searching for photos. Boom, there it is. And we want to select photos. Right there. And we want to tap this down or this blue arrow to open it up and tap on select multiple to allow you to select multiple photos. Then we want to search for another action, which is going to be combine. That's it right there, combine images. We're going to combine them vertically in this case. I know it says combine horizontal pics, but we're choosing vertical here because the horizontal ones are the widescreen pics and we want to combine them on top of each other. That's why we chose vertically here. It'll make more sense when you see it in action. Let's first search for the last step, which is in photos again. And it is going to be save to photos. Sweet, it's all done. Tap on the share button, tap on add to home screen, give it a color, select an icon. I'm going to keep mine as it is here. Tap on add, and now we have our new app right there. All we do to activate it is tap it, and then we can combine photos. So let's find two to combine. Let's do this one. No, it's got to be widescreen photos. So know that these two are widescreen. We're testing the flash on my phone. So let's add those two. It's saving them right there. And now they're going to be in our Photos app. Head over here, tap on the Photos app, and there they are combined vertically. This is without flash. This is with flash. Pretty big difference. Me and my kiddos. So that's how you combine them vertically. But maybe you have photos that are vertical, you want to combine them side by side. To do that, we go back into the shortcuts, and we can simply edit this from combine photos vertically to combine them horizontally. You can also choose to combine them in a grid, so it'll be kind of like a collage. Then you can change the name of this to combine horizontal pics. You can also duplicate this shortcut to create a horizontal version and a vertical version. Let's just see how this works. It should save automatically. And we should be able to combine, let's say this one and this one, because those are both vertical. And that should be ready to go. And it's selected one twice, but that's okay. You could have four here, you could have a grid of four. But this puts them side by side, as you can see. So that's for vertical photos. It's a pretty handy little shortcut. If you got value from this video, please like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. I know it sounds strange, you've probably never done it, so you should probably do it. So check out that video.